Welcome to the stock workout where we flex on the market to make gains. In this video I'm going to be talking about SAFEMOON. It is the crypto token that is going to the moon. Now, as many of you already know, this token has had incredible gains over the last few weeks. It's only been around for, I think it's coming up to a couple of months now. It is totally blowing everything out of the water currently. I'm going to update you with a few things, and we're going to do a little bit of technical analysis on this. So if we go over to SAFEMOON's Twitter page, reason why this is so hyped and why it's blowing everything else out of the water is because it is the most watched token on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Bitcoin at 1.2 million and SAFEMOON, it was touching 1.3 million. I do believe it did hit 1.3 million watchers as well, so it was more watched than Bitcoin as well. Now, the SAFEMOON team do keep you updated on their Twitter, so it is a good place to stay up to date with. As you can see here, 1.7 million SAFEMOON holders, and that has just been growing. If you take a look here, 1.7 million holders 5 hours ago on the 7th of May, and if we scroll further down, 1.6 million holders on the 6th of May. And if you do keep scrolling down, you'll see how this token has been growing. Its base has been growing. It's being listed on many different exchanges as well. So it does keep you up to date with their Twitter. So on the 30th of April, about a week ago, they were only at 1.5 million holders. So this token is growing at an insane rate. Now the price here today is coming in at 0.50 and then 893. So we'll just reference it as 893. That's the price currently. The price has changed in the last 24 hours. It is up by just over 14%. The trading volume has increased massively. This is coming in at 212 million. So the trading volume increased by 66% in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, the market cap sits at 5.7 billion. However, that I do believe does take into consideration some of the tokens that have been burned, so there may be a slight discrepancy there. So I'm referencing this off CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, the price action here today, we did open at 8 and we did hit a high earlier on in the day of, what's this coming in at 5 zeros and 1. So, and then we did see a retracement of the price, but overall the price is up for the day 14%, which is brilliant. If we go on the 7-day chart here, you can see that it's been slowly but surely growing, and in the last month and 3 months, I don't think you need me to show you the charts of how insanely it grew by over 7,000%, I believe it was, in a month, which is absolutely insane. And now we are heading towards retesting previous highs. So an article that came out from Benzinga, it says SAFEMOON is a newer cryptocurrency that has caught the eye of many altcoin investors. So SAFEMOON is a crypto that adds liquidity into multiple pools used by exchanges. SAFEMOON is an interesting concept for a crypto, as when somebody sells, 10% is taken from the seller. So that 10% is like a tax. This 10% is split, and 5% is burned, never to be seen again, and the other 5% is distributed evenly among the rest of the holders. So everybody holding this SAFEMOON token, their total number of tokens will just continue to grow as the token gets used and as people buy and sell it. So it says here SAFEMOON was up 57% at 5 zeros and a 9 at last check. Below is a technical analysis of the chart. So on this technical analysis, we can see volume increasing here, and then we saw compression of the price. So we saw this flag formation, and then we saw a breakout. And over here, this is a daily chart that they've shown in this article. So I'll just zoom in a bit on this. On this daily chart here, we can see a compression of the price action again, and volume has also increased, and they put a question mark as to, is this a breakout? Now, if I go over onto my chart over here, If I just make that full screen and I zoom in a bit, so this was the falling wedge pattern that they put in that article, and this candlestick here on the 6th of May, that was the question mark as is this a breakout or not. And following that, on the 7th of May, we have set another high. So this is a confirmed breakout. We have broken out of this descending channel. So I've just drawn it on the chart here. As you can see, this was the flag formation forming compression of price action here, and we broke through this descending price action here. We broke out of this flag formation, I should say. So the volume yesterday saw this huge increase in the price. So we had a breakout. We have held onto that breakout, which is brilliant to see. But what's even better, in my opinion, is the fact that the volume has increased yet again. So the volume's just growing. So if that volume continues to grow, we're going to see that price being pushed higher and higher now that we have had the breakout. So if we do see that volume continue to grow now that we've had a breakout, we could see the price go higher and higher, and it could retest previous highs. So now I've switched on to the hourly chart. As you can see here, this was the flag formation. This is the run up. This is the flag being formed here, and we have broken out of that. I've got the hourly chart up right now. So as you can see, with yesterday and today, volume has been up massively. We have just been setting higher highs and higher lows. We are heading towards retesting the previous highs as well. So currently, as it stands, we do have a confirmed breakout for SAFEMOON token, with the number of holders increasing day in, day out as well, with SAFEMOON token potentially being listed on new exchanges. That's another brilliant thing to see. Also, another brilliant thing is to see that SAFEMOON may be developing their own SAFEMOON wallet. All of these things will just help the token be adopted by more people. So overall, we do have a breakout, a confirmed breakout of SAFEMOON token. Volume has picked up massively. This may also just be due to the fact that the Binance CEO mentioned SAFEMOON in an interview. So him name dropping SAFEMOON in the conversation will just promote more visibility for the token to be used, for more people to buy it, and that will push the price higher. As you can see here, now the price change in the last 24 hours is up at 16%, coming to 17%, and the trading volume, so the 24-hour volume, has picked up massively, 66% in one day. That is huge. That's why you see the volume over here increase so much. Look how low it was here, and then it increases so much, and we do have that confirmed breakout. So the next thing we're looking for is a retest of the previous highs. So look out for that point here. It's coming in roughly at 5 noughts and a 9. So if we do have a breakout of that, then we will be setting newer highs. So I've just marked it on the chart here. So the next line of resistance is that 5 zeros and a 9, and hopefully we can push straight through that with increased volume as well. And that's it for this video. If you appreciate that, drop it a like, subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more content, and I'll see you on the next one.